One thing we have noticed when creating videos for Instagram is that the app mutes original voiceover and audio if you add trending music from the app. Instagram being Instagram doesn't give you an apparent way to solve this issue. If you don't know how to keep original voiceover with Instagram trending music, this guide is for you. Here's how to fix Instagram mutes audio when adding music to the video. For this to work, you have to create a video with your original audio. You can either use the in-app camera to record a video or upload a video you have created. Launch the Instagram app and tap the plus button to start a new reel. Tap to select the video you want to upload and hit the next button. While we can add music on this page, we won't do it. Hit the next button again to get to the next page. Now, tap the music icon to find and add music. Tap on the music you want to add and tap the done button to add it. You will notice that the original audio is gone. To bring it back, tap the music button again and open the controls. Slide the left audio slider to 100% to bring back the original audio and reduce the music slider to ensure it doesn't overpower your audio. Tap the done button and get out the music mode. That's it. You can now publish your Instagram reel with original audio and trending background music. We hope you found this guide useful. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.